Let's be real for a second. We've all seen those workout montages. You know the ones. People screaming at heavy weights, drenched in sweat, waking up at 4 a.m. to run a marathon. It's intense, it's inspiring. And for most of us, it's completely unsustainable. What if I told you that you've been lied to? You don't need to destroy your body to be fit. In fact, if you just do this one thing, focusing on high-leverage, low-effort habits, you can transform your health without ever stepping foot in a gym. Today, we're talking about how to get fit by doing less, but doing it smarter. First, let's talk movement. Everyone thinks fitness equals cardio. But the secret weapon is something called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. That's just a fancy way of saying, move your body while you're living your life. Instead of a grueling 30-minute run that you'll hate, try this. The 10-minute rule. After every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, just walk for 10 minutes. That's it. It's light, it doesn't make you sweaty, and it drastically improves your digestion and blood sugar levels. If you do this 3 times a day, you've just done 30 minutes of exercise without even trying. Combine that with taking the stairs or standing up while you're on a phone call, and your body stays in fat burn mode all day long. No gym clothes required. Now, let's talk food. We aren't doing restrictive diets here. Those just lead to crashing and binging. We're going to use the crowding out method. Instead of saying, I can't eat pizza, tell yourself, I have to eat a big bowl of salad before I eat the pizza. By filling up on fiber and water-rich greens first, you naturally eat less of the heavy stuff. And here is the biggest game changer: protein and hydration. Drink a glass of water the moment you wake up. Your metabolism will thank you. Then, make sure every meal has a palm-sized portion of protein. Eggs, lentils, chicken, whatever you like. Protein keeps you full so you don't end up reaching for those biscuits at 4 p.m. It's not about eating less. It's about eating right, so your body stops asking for junk. The reason most people fail isn't because they aren't strong enough. It's because they try to change everything at once. Fitness isn't a 90-day challenge, it's a lifestyle. If you're tired, don't skip the movement, just scale it down. Can't walk for 10 minutes? Walk for 2. The goal is to keep the streak alive. When you make fitness light and easy, it becomes a habit. And once it's a habit, the results become permanent. You'll wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and realize you're fit, and you didn't even have to suffer to get there. So, start today. Just one 10-minute walk after your next meal. That's your only job. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments. What's the one small habit you're starting today? I'll see you in the next one.